front steps need a lot of work. Some of the bricks were missing, some of the bricks were chipped, some of the mortar was bad. I'm going to show the homeowner, Jonathan, and his son, Joia, how to make the repairs.
Okay, so Mark, you know, this one was pretty straightforward, but what about this one? It's up in the corner. Are we going to just try to, you know, cover it with mortar, or is it possible to get that out?
Right, so this is a little bit more complicated than that spot, but all we're gonna do is dig this brick out. But this brick right here, they actually dive back into the step, so they're actually holding the step up. But if we bust this out and get right beyond that joint, we'll put a plug in, and all a plug is a cut brick to fit. Once we do that, everything will look the same. Do you wanna try it, Joia?
Yes, please.
All right, get at it. There you go. Good. Clean it out a little so you can see what you got. Yep. All right, looking good, Joia. All right, why don't you guys switch up?
Come on, Joia.
All right, Jonathan, looking good. Clean that out. Let's go cut the plug.
That fits.
All right, so I want to get that brick out. Because we have that gap, I'm going to take the back end of my trowel and I'm going to stuff that mortar into the back side. That way I know it's going to be full. Now I'm going to take just a little and just give me that joint right there. Yeah, now I'm ready to put our plug in. Now I'm going to take my margin trowel and I'm going to smooth it out just a little bit. We want to get the excess mortar off the adjacent brick. As long as we have that texture up, it'll be a great match.
Sure.
All right.
Wow, Mark, that looks much better.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.